Hey everyone, Kyle at ProLux here, and in today's video it's going to be a different kind of video. I'm not really going to be showing off ProLux products. It's going to be more of a general how-to video, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to properly clean and shampoo your car's carpets and floor mats. You've probably seen my Ford Explorer in some previous videos. I no longer need it, so I'm getting it ready to sell, and one of the things I need to address is rear cover mats along with the OEM floor mats. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly shampoo your car's interior just like a detail professional. Alright, here's the floor mat cargo area. It's just completely thrashed, but I know how to revive it. Tools needed. I got an impact with a drill brush attachment. I have a sprayer with some carpet shampoo in it. The carpet shampoo I'm using is a Maximum Extractor Carpet Cleaner Concentrate. This is very potent, so if you're gonna use a commercial grade cleaner like this, just make sure you follow the directions. So then we have it in a pump spray bottle. The most needed thing is gonna be an extractor. I have a Rug Doctor. It also sprays water and sucks water and solution up. So the first thing you're going to do for whatever you're cleaning, whether it's a floor mat or your carpets, is thoroughly vacuum all the dirt and debris up. Once you do that, you're going to want to put some solution or cleaner on it. You can just get one of these pump sprayers at Home Depot or Lowe's or Ace or Harbor Freight. It's mostly for like weed killer, but this was a clean bottle. So I'm just going to pump this bad boy up, and then I'm going to soak this mat. I'm gonna go sideways all the way through the mat, and then I'm really gonna focus on the heavily soiled areas. And then you can repeat this process as many times as you like until you're satisfied with the results. But this mat's pretty soaked, so I'm gonna move on to the next step. The next step is going to be agitating this floor mat for the rear cargo area with a drill brush attachment. You can use a normal brush, but that is going to require a lot of manual labor, and this is just a cheat code, so I suggest getting one of these. I've been using this for about a year. It's still in good shape, and then I usually just clean it off before my next project. So I'm gonna put it on this floor mat, and I'm just gonna scrub it. And this is going to be a skill. You're gonna go through a learning curve. I started with the drill brush on a corner of the mat, and I didn't really like the results I was seeing, so I went ahead and added more carpet shampoo and solution to the floor mat. Again, this is gonna be a learning thing. You're gonna try something that's not gonna quite get the results you want, so you're gonna tweak it a little bit. You're gonna do some more. It's all a learning thing, but it's a good skill to have. Alright, so I went ahead and agitated the whole floor mat. There are going to be some spots that are just not going to be treatable. I'm pretty sure this is bleach or something. Like I mentioned earlier, I didn't like the type of results I was getting when I was agitating the floor mat, so I added some more carpet solution. Now the third step is going to be extracting. This is a Rug Doctor X3 Mighty Pro. If you're more of a DIYer, beginner getting into stuff like this, you don't really need a machine like this. There's so many different options out there. This is just what I have available at my house, and it works great. It's got the upholstery attachment already attached to it. See right there, everything is fully attached. All the water goes in here. I use this thing quite a bit. And this is where you add water with your solution or just water. This water is pretty cold. I recommend doing warm to hot water, but since this is pretty full, there's not much hot water I can add. So I'm gonna get this plugged in, and then we're gonna extract the solution that I just agitated into the floor mat. This is gonna be the most satisfying part of everything. With this nozzle having a clear hood, you can see all the dirt and grime getting sucked in. So I'm gonna get this set up, get the camera set up, and we're gonna start extracting. All right, so you probably saw all the liquid and dirt and grime going up through the upholstery tool. Now I'm going to set the camera up and just do a time lapse of me shampooing and extracting this floor mat. so I'm still going at it. Just want to let you guys check in. Definitely turning out a lot cleaner than what it originally was. Couple notes. If your extractor also dispenses water, so this one has a little spray nozzle and you have a trigger to dispense that water, I would definitely pull that trigger to dispense water as you are sucking up the solution. A lot of times some areas are going to be more heavily soiled in the solution, and if you don't fully suck that up, when it dries it becomes all crusty. And yeah, you're gonna, depending on how big it is, the surface you're cleaning, you're gonna be going at it for a while. Check in on the water. As you can see, the water is black, but I'll show you guys the final product when I'm done.
2 hours later.
All right, I'm pretty happy with the results, and I've already been going at this for a decent amount of time. So as you can see, it looks a lot better. This portion right here, where it's a little more white, I was a ding dong and I soaked that way too much with the solution, so that is mostly soap. When that dries, it's going to be crusty, so I will take care of that after the video. As a final result, it looks a lot cleaner than what I was originally dealing with. Again, that little section, I'm pretty sure that is bleach. But I'm going to set this up on something so it can dry. But yeah, I'm going to take care of that little more soapy section off camera, but this is more of a just general how-to video. So when you guys are done and you are satisfied with the results, you want to make sure it dries completely before you put it back in your car or whatever. Hang it up on something. Again, this is just a learning process. If it dries and you don't like how it looks, restart all 3 steps. You're gonna want to cover the area in solution. First step, second step, agitate. Third step, extract. If you guys have any questions, or if you guys have any helpful tricks or tips, please let me know. I'm always eager to learn. I'm sure there's going to be a professional out there that has something more informative to tell everyone. So please, got any comments or questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Alright, so we're going to dump this dirty water out. Do I recommend dumping dirty water out into the toilet? If it doesn't have any hair or dirt and debris, I say go for it. But if you know that you're sucking up a bunch of hair and stuff, I would probably just dump it outside in the rocks or something, but. So again, this is just from that floor mat. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys learned something. I'm probably going to be putting out some more of these general how-to videos that don't really pertain to our Prolux products, but in general, here at Prolux, we want to be informative. We want to teach you guys only about our products that how to be more efficient in your cleaning. Again, if you guys have any questions or concerns, please drop them down in the comment section below, or you can email us at service@proluxcleaners.com. I'm Kyle Prolux. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. I got some more stuff to take care of. So until then, adios.